Here's the beast. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, there it is. 22,000 watt Cyclone bicycle kit. Great suspension. This is the drive side. It's a 96 volt. Charges to about 101 volts. Does about 90 miles an hour on a charge. Right off the charger, actually. Dual disc in front. And I've got a little blinker. I don't know if you can see that. Here's the bicycle side. It's got a scooter brake. There's setup. Oh, I like this little light back here. It comes on automatically, and it also goes bright red. When you're braking, it feels your momentum. It's pretty cool. So, a couple safety features. And of course, my audible device.